Hello everyone, if Windows forces you to connect, and you can, try this trick. Are you installing Windows 10 or 11 and suddenly it requires an internet connection to continue? Don't worry, today I will show you a trick to proceed without Wi-Fi. It works on any laptop or PC, and yes, it's 100% legal. When you see the screen asking for a mandatory internet connection, do this. Press Shift more F10 on your keyboard. Tip: on some laptops, you may also need to press the Function key for it to work. A black window will open. That's the command prompt. Type this exact command: oobe backslash bypassnro. To type the backslash, press Alt more 92 on your number pad. Now, hit enter and your computer will restart. And finally, you will be able to choose the option I don't have internet and continue the installation with no problem. Important, you will need internet later to activate or update Windows, but this trick helps you bypass the initial requirement. And that's it. You can now finish the installation offline. This tip saves the day when you don't have a network on your Wi-Fi isn't working. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe to CoyInfo, and share this tip with someone who might need it. I'm Daniel, and here we make technology simple and useful. See you in next video.